Vic TV today. It's a different day because I am talking in English, as you can hear. And this is because I want to make 10 videos challenge for the followers who speaks English and is watching my videos too. So today is the first video of our 10 videos challenge in English. We are going to visit some 10 places in Barcelona. And okay, ready, steady, go! Welcome to the first place. This is called Plaza Catalunya. We are in the middle of Barcelona and it's so common to come here because it's quite close from most important streets and avenues. Okay, so we are in Passeig de Gràcia. It's our second place, and we can find here like some fashion and international shops, and also different bars, restaurants.
De rius i de muntanyes ho tindrem tot i es parlarà de vida.
Third place behind me is La Casa Batlló, which was designed by Antoni Gaudí.
De vida.
Anem lluny, serem molts, empenyent endavant. Qui sembra rebel·lia, recull la llibertat. Que no ens guanyi la por, el demà avui és nostre. Tu i jo, agafant l'horitzó.
Right now we are on La Rambla, which is the most famous street here in Barcelona because it's so touristic and also international stores but some places to eat like sweets and street food.
Somnis gegants, però problemes del món tenim les nostres mans.
Per nosaltres, per tot és tot, agapoll.
Also, it's so common to find some like cultural monuments, also theaters, cinemas. Now you're going to see a market which is so famous here in La Rambla, and it's called Mercat de la Boqueria.
És part de tu, també és part de mi. Viure vol dir prendre partit.
No tenim a les mans els problemes del món, no tenim totes les solucions, però venim amb coratge i amb somnis gegants. Els problemes del món tenim les nostres mans.
És per nosaltres, per tot és tot, agapoll, el racisme calat.
And this market is so common to buy some typical food from here, from Spain and also Catalonia.
Nuestras manos serán nuestro capital. Quien mueve el engranaje debe decidir. Crear, construir conciencia popular. Eterna divisa que nos guía a vivir libres o morir.
Also in the old neighborhood, it's so common to find some different old monuments or cathedrals like this one behind me, which is the Cathedral of Barcelona.
Anem lluny, serem molts, empenyent endavant. Qui sembra rebel·lia, recull la llibertat. Que no...
So this is our another place which is so famous here, and it is called like Santa Maria del Mar Cathedral.
Serem lluny, serem molts, empenyent endavant. Som futur i alegria, seguint el pas dels anys.
As you can see right now we are in a neighborhood which is so particular because It combines different styles and architectures. Here you can see the name, which is the Born neighborhood.
Ho tindrem tot i es parlarà de vida. Gent de mar, de rius i de muntanyes. Ho tindrem tot.
Okay, we are now in a very common place, which is called Ciutadellas Park.
De rius i de muntanyes. Ho tindrem tot i es parlarà de vida.
Okay, next to Ciutadellas Park we have Arc de Triomphe, which is on my background.
Gent de mar, de rius i de muntanyes. Ho tindrem tot i es parlarà de vida. Gent de mar, de rius i de muntanyes. Ho tindrem tot i es parlarà de vida.